Welcome to SimplySportBikes.com. Here we have a 2008 Honda CBR1000RR. The bike is in mint condition. Fairings have no marks, no scuffs, no scratches. It's never been laid down or tipped over. We've got adjustable clutch and brake levers. Tank is very clean. Seats have no rips or tears. It's got a Leo Vinci pipe on it. Around to the tail section, very clean, no scuffs, scratches. It's got front and rear Pirelli tires. This side is clean as well, no scratches, scuffs, marks of any kind. So your adjustable clutch lever. This bike comes with a 1-month, 1,000-mile warranty. The picture of your front Pirelli tire. For more questions and see pictures, visit us at SimplySportBikes.com.